Hi, in this video let me show you how to enable the lens camera hints on the iPhone 17 Pro. So, if you would like to use this new iPhone feature, let's open the settings, then scroll down, and from the list of settings let's find the camera. It's this icon right here, tap on camera, scroll down again, and as you can see, here you should find lens cleaning hints. So this cool feature should be enabled. You can disable or enable this feature right here by using this toggle, and this feature will display a suggestion when the camera lens should be cleaned to improve the image quality. So let me just keep it enabled, and now when you are taking a photo and some of your lenses will be dirty or something right here, you will see the hint that you should clean it up to take the better picture, the better image. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.